To another video in our channel. Today we are learning about try, accept and finally function. First of all, we will come to learn about the function before doing the coding part. Try. We have some errors: value error, zero division error, data type error, etc. etc. Try function basically tries the code and checks that if the code is working or not. As the name suggests, accept. It gives the output based on the error. Example: code. We tried print 1 divided by 10, accept zero division error. Print cannot do division by 0. Try function prints 0 by 1, which is impossible in terms of Python, but instead gives an error. Instead of giving an error, accept function gives a warning. Finally function is used to give the output in all conditions, even if it's giving an error. Example: try print 1 divided by 0, accept 0 division error, print cannot do division by 0, finally print 1 divided by 0. Come back to the code. In here, try. When we run this on its own, it says syntax error, which means incomplete input. Try only works with accept. Look, cannot divide by 0. But in finally, it runs anyway. It gives an error. So in here, we can make various projects, such as a game or a calculator. Projects. In our first project, we are going to make a calculator. In most calculators, you can basically enter anything. Basic code of calculator is like num1 equals to here we go. We have the calculator code. When we run this, enter the first number, enter the operator. I entered the division one. Here's the output. Wait, here's another. I fixed the code. Now let's enter our amount again. And the division one. Yep, the output is correct. Now here's one thing. User can enter any type, which will give a value error. For this, we will copy it, make another one. Instead of doing this regularly, we will use try and then paste our code in here. We will do some formatting because this is not that type of code and it will give error as usual. Now we have formatted the code correctly. We will use the accept thing. Accept value error. Please enter a number to calculate. Now when we run this, please enter a number to calculate. So we can use this for things like this instead of getting an error.